we have a bag and it contains 9 sweets, of which 2 are red, 3 are blue and 4 are green. We're told that Megan chooses 3 of these sweets at random, and we want to calculate the probability that she chooses A, no red sweets, and B, one of each colour. Well, in part A, you can make this a little bit harder than it needs to be really. What we need to acknowledge in part A are that there are 2 red sweets, and instead of worrying about the combinations of blue and green sweets that we can pick, all we need to worry about really here is that there are 7 non-red sweets. This makes life a lot easier, so that when I calculate the probability of no reds, all I'm thinking is, okay, I want to know how many ways can I pick 3 non-reds from a total of 7, so I get 7, choose 3, over. I then want to know the number of ways that I can pick 3 sweets from 9, so that's 9, choose 3. And so I can then put this into my calculator. When I work it through my calculator, I get an answer of 5/12. And then we just leave that as a fraction, because that is then an exact value. So how do I get the marks in this question? Well, we're going to get a method mark for demonstrating the use of the choose notation, and I'm going to get an accuracy mark for actually getting my final answer. Okay, so part B. Part B wants us to find the probability of one of each colour. So probability, one of each. This should be fairly straightforward. It means that I want to know the probability of 1 red and 1 blue and 1 green. So I'm going to have 2 choose 1 will tell me the number of ways to pick the 1 red. Remember it's and, so I'm going to multiply these combinations. 3 choose 1, which will tell me the number of ways I'm going to get the blue, and again multiply because it's event and, so it's the red and the blue and the green. So 4 choose 1 will tell me the number of ways I can get the green. This is all going to be over. I'm still doing 9 sweets and choosing 3. Okay, so I'm then going to work this through in my calculator. Once I work this through in my calculator, we get an answer of 2/7. Okay, so how do we get the marks in this question? Well, first of all, this working, we get a method mark and an accuracy mark for demonstrating correctly how we're going to calculate the probability, and then I'm going to get an accuracy mark for getting finally this answer here, 2/7. Okay, I hope that all made sense and that you understood it.